Hello, in this video we're going to look at data plotting with best fit lines. So sometimes when you're looking at a newspaper or you're looking at some sort of statistical analysis, they will show you little dots on a graph and then a line running through it. So what we're looking at with that is a whole bunch of random data points. They'll look fairly close to a line, and then we as the people looking at that data could say, oh, that looks pretty straight. Let's find a best fit line that would kind of represent all the data points. So in this case, we have scores for two different quizzes, and we're given data values for each, and so we're going to plot them. Okay, so the first one we have is 11:6. So I'm going to select the dot portion on my homework, and I'm going to go 11 to the right and up 6, and I'm going to put a dot there. And since the dot selection is already selected, I can just go through and do my next one, 14:10. So I'm going to go over 14 and then up 10 and place a dot there. 16:12 is my next point, so I'm going to go over 16 and then up 12. The next one is 18:14, so I'm going to go over 18 and then up 14. The next one I need to go over 19 and up 21. The next one I need to go to the right 24 and then up 21. The next one I need to go to the right 35 and up 35. For the last one, I need to go to the right 47 and up 37. So there are my dots. Now if I were to look at all those dots, they seem to kind of be in a line, but there are some outliers. The main idea is to recognize that they do indeed look like a line, and you want to try and fit this line to the data as best you can. And sometimes you might not touch all the data points, but you want to represent the trend for all those points as best you can. And so if I look here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 data points that are kind of below the line, and then one on the line, and then 1, 2, 3 above the line, but they're substantially higher. So it's almost balanced, and I think it's a fairly good representation of the data. So I'll go ahead and submit that. And it gives me full credit. So this is the idea of a linear representation of data points, and this is about as detailed we will get with this. So go ahead and do your best to work through plotting the data points and then finding a best fit line.